Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Today I am here with some new topic on our Linux operating system. I will be using CentOS server, or you can say CentOS operating system, and we are going to learn how to manage jobs in your CentOS server. For this, what I'm going to do is I'm going to open a terminal. So right click on the desktop, open in terminal. So the terminal is open. We are going to manage jobs over here. So currently there is no job which is running on my Linux operating system. So I will create a process that will indicate that my job is running. So for this, I'm going to type system -config -users. This particular command is going to open the user manager, in which you can see that one of my job has been running now and my terminal is busy over here. You can see over here my terminal is completely busy and I cannot use my terminal for some other purpose. But now if there is a scenario that this particular job can be run at the background and I can use the terminal for some other purpose, how we can do so, we are going to see now. I am closing this particular user manager. Now I will open this system -config -users at the background. So to open any job at the background, it should be appended with ampersand sign. So once this ampersand sign indicates that system -config -users job will be run at the background. So if I click enter, this particular user manager window is automatically going to come, but you can see over here now the terminal is free to be used by any other command over here. Okay, so ampersand indicates that you can run this particular job at the background. The next command which you're going to see is what is called as jobs. So if I write the command called as jobs, you will find that the user manager job is running at the background, and it is given that it is the number of the job is job 1 and it is running at the background. Now suppose I want this particular job to be running at the foreground. Matlab I want the particular user manager to be again in the busy state in the terminal. What am I supposed to do is I will use the command which is called as fg. This fg command, if I press enter, it is going to give me that particular job at the foreground. You will see that the system -config -users now is again occupied by the terminal and you cannot use the terminal over here. Now if I want to halt a particular process, I'm going to press Ctrl Z. Once I press Ctrl Z, automatically there will be a halting of the process. Okay, now there is one more command which is called as bg command. So if I write bg command, this bg stands for background. Again your system -config -users ampersand sign indicates either you can use ampersand sign or either you can use your bg command. Both of them indicate that they will be running at the background. Now I am running the jobs wala command again. If I run the jobs wala command again, you will see that it is in the running state because I have purposely given bg command so that the user manager will be opened at the background. And if I want to bring it in the foreground, again obviously I'm going to write the fg command. Fg command is going to bring it in the foreground over here. And if I want to end this, or I have to remove from the busy state of the terminal, I'm going to press Ctrl Z. That is going to stop my system -config -users. So with this we have seen three things, or the three important commands. The commands are nothing but, first one is your jobs command, which gives you overall information of all the jobs. What kind of information, what is the job ID, then whether it is in running state or stop state, and which particular command has initiated that particular job. So this you will understand with the help of the job command. Second thing is bg command and fg command. This is used for managing of your jobs. So bg command is used so that you can manage the jobs at the background. and fg command is used to manage the jobs at the foreground. So if you are managing the jobs at the background, it makes your terminal free so that you can use it for some other purpose. So that's all for today. This is what we have seen in today's video. If you like the video, please do like, comment and share my channel, even subscribe my channel. Thank you.